Hey folks, and welcome back. Today I am going to be testing out a beauty device. This is a facial skin scrubber from Tree. And I first heard about these vibrating face scrubbers from Tina Young in one of her Tina Tries It. And I was pretty intrigued, so I thought I would pick one up on Amazon Canada, try one out. I picked this particular brand out just because of the price, I guess. It was 30 Canadian dollars, and there were about 100 different models that looked very similar but slightly different, and so I just kind of randomly picked out this one. Just kind of an overlook at the box. You can see it's made in China. You wash your face with warm water and keep your skin wet, and then re-wet throughout while you're using the tool if your skin becomes dry. You can switch between 3 different modes: a cleansing mode, a moisturizing, and a lifting mode. Avoid sensitive areas on your skin like your lips and eye area. I got this in June and I've been experimenting with it through pretty much all of July. This is what the tool looks like. It comes with this little then it's just this metal spatula attached to a electronic device. Interesting. When we turn it on, you'll see it sounds like the 80s or the 90s or something. And you can rotate through all the different modes by pushing the buttons. Kind of goes fast, slow, slowest. Let's go ahead and try it on my skin. So I just woke up and gave my face a quick wash. And I also just filled up this little bottle here. This is a mixture of about a quarter Max Fix Plus in the coconut flavor. I'm almost out. And then the rest of it is just filled with water. I'm just going to continually keep re-wetting my face as we go to ensure it stays wet. It does come with a little instruction book. But basically, it just charges via USB. Start with the cleansing mode, and you use the cleansing mode after you clean your face. Second of all, you can apply moisturizer with the moisturizing mode. And then it says apply serum to your face and use the lifting mode. So I'm pretty sure I am not going to do it in that order. I'm going to do cleansing, then apply my serum, and then my moisturizer. We'll see how that goes. It does say to use wet wipes or alcohol after you're done using it to clean it off. And to be completely honest, I mostly got this as a pore extractor type of tool. I have some rather large pores and continuous breakouts on my chin, on my nose I'm very oily, kind of some really big pores on my cheeks. So I'm pretty addicted to going around and just using the little pore extraction tool thingy to get all that stuff off. So my skin is damp. Let's go ahead and activate cleaning mode. You can see it is vibrating. So let me just start. And this is what one pass looked like, just in that one spot on my chin. So it picked up a lot of crap. Let me keep going. And that is all the gunk I picked up from my chin area. I don't know about you guys, but I find this extremely gross and satisfying. I'm just gonna take one of my reusable cotton pads that has some micellar water and clean that off before we go to the next area. Let's do my nose next. Okay, ew, this is what I got off of my nose area. But I think some of the liquid must be some of the water / Mac Fix Plus combo. But at the same time, it's definitely getting stuff out of my pores. And you can see dead skin flakes or pore gunk building up on there. So gross. Ew. It's very, very satisfying to use. Okay, let me re-wet my cheeks, then we'll move to my cheeks, and I think my forehead will just kind of finish it off. My nose and my chin are really my trouble spots. Alright, and that's what I picked up from the rest of my face. Not too bad. And again, I do think some of the liquid it picked up was the MAC Fix plus water / oil from my skin combination. I'm gonna disinfect this quickly, wash my face again just to rinse it off completely, get all the MAC Fix Plus residue off of my skin, and then we can continue. So I am back, and let's try applying some serum. I'm going to be using this Good Molecules Squalene Oil, and they do say to use it before your moisturizer, so that's why we're going to try lifting prior to moisturization. Let me kind of get this on. Alright, and we can spread it around using the tool, so let's try it out. So one of the problems I can see using with this is it'll pick a lot of the oil up. So I'm going to try putting the spatula kind of face down. Oops. The buttons are kind of easy to push, honestly. I think I got it all applied everywhere. I'm just gonna quickly see how that feels. And yeah, I did spread it out everywhere. I don't think it's supposed to micro vibrate the serum into your skin a little bit deeper than if you just used your fingers. Honestly, I think my fingers do a pretty good job, so I can't see myself doing that regularly. Now I'm just gonna take my CeraVe moisturizer and we're gonna try moisturizing. So that's the second setting. So here we go. And again, I'm gonna try putting the tool down so it's dragging it into the skin. Okay, so it spreads it around fine, but I think at the end of the day, you're still gonna want to use your hands to really let it sink into the skin. I'm pretty sure, this is cynical me talking, that they just add those other modes to sell it and make it look different than all the other devices, even though all the other devices kind of had those same modes. And I don't think the vibrations are super critical for that. I think that's just a little bit of hype. But as a pore extractor, it's freaking satisfying, especially if you get oily like me. If you use this thing at the end of the night before you wash your face just to admire some of the gunk removal, God, that's satisfying. So yeah, this is my quick look of the features and functions of the Ubi Tree facial skin scrubber. Overall, I'm gonna give this device I think I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5, but the caveat there is that is just as a pore extractor. It is not as a serum or moisturizer applicator, because honestly I can't see myself using those regularly for those functions, but I can see myself using this multiple times a week, as I have been doing through most of July, to help with pore extractions, maybe popping the odd whitehead, ew, but just for really deep digging all the junk out from inside your skin as an alternative to using kind of the more individual pore extractor. This is kind of let's do 10 pores at once. And I like it. I like seeing the oil come off my skin. I like seeing the gunk come out of my pores. It's very satisfying. I think it's a decent price for such a specific tool. I mean, I'm sure some really high quality pore extractors are getting up into that $15 to $20 range. Why not try skipping the manual tool and going up to the vibrator, scrapery, spatula? The battery on this thing seems to last a really long time. I've maybe charged it once since I got it. Overall, really like it. Yes, I would recommend it. Don't overuse it. Try to limit yourself to just a couple times a week if you get addicted to scraping your pores like I do. Not too sure it's the best for you, but God, it's so satisfying. And if you've tried any other of these tools out that you thought worked pretty well, definitely leave your recommendations down below as well. that is it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe down below for more beauty videos from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'm also streaming on Twitch on Mondays during the pandemic fun, just kind of as a way to relax and de-stress and hang and chill. I have a Discord server too if you want to jump onto our community and hang out to see what's going on. And that will all be linked down below. This video is brought to you by my sponsors, my beautiful patrons. Thank you guys so much for your time and investment in my channel. Your financial contribution helps me test out tools and product instead of having to rely on brands all the time, which I think leads to more honest reviews. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see ya in my next one.